On June 24, 2024, the political landscape was rocked by leaked audio recordings featuring former CCC official Karenyi. Before we go any further, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any updates from Zim News, Live YTS. The audios reveal Kaur soliciting financial support from a UK-based Zimbabwean woman's children. Unsurprisingly, this has ignited a fierce debate within the Zimbabwean diaspora community. Many are questioning Kaur's motives and the ethics behind her actions. Adding fuel to the fire, allegations have surfaced suggesting that Justice Minister Ziyambi might have extended support to Kaur. These claims, if proven true, could have significant ramifications for Zimbabwe's political scene. Stay tuned as we continue to uncover more details about this unfolding controversy. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for the latest updates. Thanks for watching.